How to create real MetaTrader for account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up MetaTrader 4. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the message icon. Now simply tap on register. Now enter the email address. Now tap on OK. Now simply tap on get account. Now type the username. Now tap on get account. Now click on sign in. Now go back to the home screen. Now open up your email. Now open up the mail and copy the password. Now once you copy the password, go back to the application. Now paste the password and simply tap on sign in. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.